In this video, I'm in Belize City, Belize, showing you some of the highlights of this city.
Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is my 63rd country, Belize. So this is it. Seashore Promenade right here. This is where it all begins, right here in Belize City actually. And they have this the big blue sign of Belize. Right here. Oh, helicopter port there, showing you, and here's the sights, and this is where people like to come, and look at these guys dancing over here up a storm. And this is the famous Belize sign right here. Oh, this is the little happening spot here in Belize, at least as far as tour buses go. Look at, they keep coming by here and dropping them off and watching the different sites over here along this way. And they'll show you how to carve a coconut here. And then here's the famous Belize City sign right here that people like to pose and take a picture with. And this guy's carving up look at him, going through this coconut.
This is the quickest, fastest way to carve up a coconut and get fresh coconut water out of it.
Look at that. So this is kind of neat. They have this sign here. San Ignacio is where I will be going next. 62 miles away that way from here. So this gives a little point of reference of how far everything is from this particular location right here. Pretty nice. Okay, so right now I just finished looking at the Belize sign. I'm going to take a walk through the city. So this is Belize City. Going through the heart of the town right now, and this is what it looks like, first impression of walking around the city. And here's a city park right here across from the way. Look at construction going on here in Belize right now, trying to improve a lot of the roads conditions. A new bridge just opened up coming into town last month, so they are welcoming in tourists at great speeds here. There's some nice wall mural.
And this is what it's like to ride inside of a non-air-conditioned city bus in Belize City.
So if you ride the city bus, you'll get off over here, and then just around the corner, around here, you'll find the actual bus terminal if you want to go to other bus stations. So right around here, this will find and help you get through areas a lot easier. So this is what it looks like just on the way to the bus terminal. Little market area here that they have just before the bus terminal. Selling all kinds of things here. And then here's the buses leaving to all places, different places around. Look at this. It gets pretty chaotic with these buses leaving. Right here, this is different lines going to different places. And this is what the bus terminal looks like right here. So you come in here for Belize City, and these buses here will take you all over different parts of Belize, as well as Mexico or Guatemala. Here's the prices for wherever you want to go to. Giving you a brief look here. And then here's the waiting area. So, and here's a bird's eye view from above Belize City. And more buses keep coming into the bus terminal. This is a very important part of the city because a lot of buses are coming and going. So this is considered like the center of town. Okay, so this is the Civic Theater for Belize right here. All kinds of plays go on in this venue. And this is pretty close to the bus terminal. And just a little bit of ways from the Civic Center right there, you come upon the river right here. And this river flows into the Caribbean Sea. So this is the Belize River right here. A little better look at it. Crossing over right now. Look at that. Nice. And this road right here will take you not only to the Civic Center, but also to the bus terminal. So this is interesting. They have these little police checkpoints here. I don't know exactly what they're looking for, but they just check out cars of people going through right here. And then they'll check them out one at a time and then continue on with the road. So this is the beach. Made it to the beachfront, just around the corner from the lighthouse. And walking along here. This is kind of neat right here. Look, they have a little, looks like a train, automobile. Look at, for the sightseeing people, right there. Hop on, hop off. And then behind it, they even have this horse. Look at horse and buggy coming along the way. And then the big tour bus after that. So you'll see all kinds of tourist transportation around this part of the city. There's your air-conditioned bus. So this is the pier right here, showing you as we make our way closer towards the lighthouse in that direction. But check this out, check out the scenery. Nice cool breeze blowing. Normally a hot, muggy day in the city, but on the ocean, everything blows nice and free and cool. So let me continue on my walk upward and onward towards the lighthouse. So after walking along this coast for a little bit, we finally hit our destination, the lighthouse. Let's go check out this lighthouse a little bit closer and see what it's about. So this is along the shoreline here. Look at, they're starting to improve and make new improvements here. They have the Fort George Memorial Park right here, and they have a little workout area. Buses come by here, and this is just a few steps away from the lighthouse. This is really neat. Look, coming soon, Ocean View Grand. There's Belize City right there. Eventually, the plan is to be able to drive all the way out to the little island there and then drive down to this little area of island. So they have big plans. Have already started building the roadway out that way. So big plans here in the making for Belize City. And here is the Taiwanese consulate right here. So pretty nice. So this is interesting. Right here on the coast, you have the Tropicana Casino. They also have another casino down the way. They have the Welcome Center right here. And then they have all these little places that you can buy food from. And this is what it looks like from an aerial shot of it. So Belize City is working on improving and livening up the place and welcoming in visitors. Not just to Coker Island, but also to the city itself. There's a little walk around of what you would see in this area. Look at that, little places out there along the beach to rest, relax, get something to eat, drink. And so nice little park, look, well maintained, manicured. And this is what the park is. Welcome to Diga Park, right here. Okay, so this is something else. Look at, report sick, injured, or dead marine mammals. So they're very cognizant, aware of sea life and want to do the best for them. Around this place, I noticed they have these signs. So they're very much wanting to help out the wildlife, make sure they're okay.
So that'll do it on my Belize City walk. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you'd like to see my other travel videos, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.